Hello, in this video we will see definition of histogram and with an example. Okay, so what is histogram here? So histogram shows a distribution of values. Histogram is similar to a bar graph, but it is useful to show values grouped in bins or intervals. Okay, so suppose for example we can collect the age of each employee and show it in the form of histogram to know how many employees are there in the range of 0 to 10 years and to 10 to 20 years. That means suppose if you have a employee ages data, okay, ages data, different ages will be there in a company. There are different employee ages will be there. So if you want to know the ranges between the means, suppose like the age of 0 to 10 years, how many employees are there, 10 to 20 years, 30 to 40 years, okay, how many employees are there. If you're talking about the range, you have to draw the histogram here. Okay, so it's like a bar graph, but if you are talking about the range, if suppose if there are so many employees will be there and different range of salaries will be there. If you want to know how many number of employees have salaries between 10,000 to 20,000, 30,000 to 40,000, okay, if you want to know, you have to draw this histogram here. Okay, so we'll see with an example here. Histogram means if you are talking about the distribution of values or ranges, you have to draw the histogram here. Program here, write a program to display a histogram showing the number of employees in specific age group. Okay, so the ranges have to store in the bins here. Remember that, hey, ranges, the specific range, whatever range you want, you have to store that in bins, and employee underscore ages have to store in this employee underscore data or whatever you can give them in list format. Okay, so here taken individual employee ages and range of ages. Employee underscore ages, these are ages of the employees, and the range of values are stored in this bin here. 0 to 10, 20 to 20, 20 to 30. 0 to 10 means it includes 0 to 9 here. Okay, 10 to 20 means 10 to 19, 20 to 30 means 20 to 29. Okay, so it excludes the outer value. So like that, the range of values, not only 0 to 10, you can take 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, okay, whatever range you want it. That range of values have to store in bins. Okay, in bins here. Okay, so here we have employee underscore ages and bins, and we will take as input here, right, employee underscore bins, and we have to draw the histogram. To draw the histogram, we have to use hist function in this Matplotlib-Python library, package. There is a hist function will be there. Hist function. In hist function, we have to pass these ages. Okay, amp underscore ages, and also bins. Okay, range of values, bins, range of ages. Okay, and if you want bar type, if you want bar shape, you have to write in hist type here. Hist type is equal to bar if you want bar shape. Okay, and if you want width, okay, if you want to set the width, give some width here. I am giving 0.8 width, and if you want to give color equal to blue. Any color you can give it. Okay, simple. Undefined bar. Okay, right, single quote we are writing this one. Okay, right, and give some title to your histogram. Any title you can give in, just company name or whatever company name you can give here. Okay, Oracle, and to display the histogram, we have to write show function. You have to type show function here. Simple, just execute it, right. And if you want to give employee IDs in X label and employee number of ages here, it means you have to write in X label and Y label. Okay, simple, right here, plot dot X label give employee ages, and Y label you can give the number of employees. X label and Y label functions. Okay, number of employees. Okay, right. So here we are talking how many employees are there between these ranges. 10 to 20, 1 employee is there. Okay, 20 to 30, 2 employees. Okay, 30 to 40, 3 employees. 40 to 55, 50 to 65 employees are there. Okay, so okay, and so if you are talking about the range of values means if you want to draw a histogram, you have to take the employee IDs, and range of values have to store in the bins here. Okay, so if you are talking about the range of values, draw the histogram here. Simple, in simple words. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, this range here. Okay, and that's about the histogram. Next video we will see the pie chart here. Okay, pie chart.